Workshops for Warriors is about training, certifying, and placing veterans and women warriors into manufacturing careers for life. But Workshops for Warriors decides to partner with industry-leading manufacturers. Flow is the world leader in water jet technology, bar none. And what I like most about Flow is that they haven't just provided a machine, they've provided a team, and they've become one of our most valued partners. They've provided top-tier training, Flow certifications that can be used anywhere in the U.S., and that means that our vets have jobs when they leave here with Flow certification.
Using water jet was easier than expected, from designing all the way to cutting on the table.
The favorite thing about the water jet is the possibilities are endless.
I mean, just the water jet by itself, cutting metal with water is awesome to me, so I mean, that right there sells it for me.
I would definitely recommend this program to other veterans. It's been very beneficial in the sense of being able to have other opportunities open up for me.
And every manufacturer in the U.S. has stated that they need quality, competent, certified employees. Veterans are a phenomenal labor force. They've served their country before. They can serve in your organization. All we need is to train them in what you need.